Welcome, we are excited to introduce to you our new online training academy. Listening to our customer feedback, this latest training concept offers convenient online training so that you and your team can develop your inspection skills at your own pace, when and where it suits you. Let me now show you a taster module that's been taken from one of our brand new virtual training Checkweigher courses.
Module 8C is a short module to explain about AMC, but don't worry if you don't know what this is, as we will explain this to you now.
In average weight mode, the automatic mean control that is shortened to AMC can be enabled or disabled, and this affects whether or not the packs are rejected automatically when the mean average weight falls below the nominal weight. One of the three packers rules that you can see in the provided attachment is that the average weight of the contents of a group of packs or batch must not be less than the declared weight printed on the packaging. So, on the run screen, the average or mean weight for all the accepted packs that you can see here must not be less than the declared nominal weight that is displayed on the packaging. That corresponds what's shown in the product settings. And if the next pack was light enough to cause the mean weight to fall below the nominal weight, then this will be automatically rejected if the AMC is enabled. If, however, the AMC is disabled, then this will allow the light pack to be accepted, but drop the mean weight below the declared product nominal weight. Therefore, a batch report could show as a non-compliance, which during an audit is not acceptable and penalties could occur. So, to make sure that this is enabled for an individual product, we will need to enter the reject screen by pressing the Go To button, followed by the Setup option and then the red reject icon as shown. The AMC box will need to be checked by touching the empty white box, but because this is such an important setting, the engineer's password is required. Once enabled, select the OK button, followed by the Yes option to update the setting.
All our courses contain module knowledge checks, which is available for you to complete for all the various modules, which is the perfect way to check your learning progress. Completing the training course will proudly unlock your official training certificate. The certificate is fully audit compliant and recognised industry-wide. Every course is crafted and designed by Loma's industry experts, ensuring you receive top-notch training that's not only engaging, but perfect for staying ahead in today's competitive market. Why not use this unique opportunity to build your knowledge? Every minute spent learning your machine is an investment in your business's future. Think of training as laying down the foundation for ongoing success and stability. We hope you enjoyed our taster video, and we invite you to visit our online store to view all our available courses and free sample modules. Simply click the link in your email, or alternatively, go to the address shown below to start your journey in mastering the latest machine training.